Hello guys, I'm Mary Orlans. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. I want to say thank you so much guys for your sub. I appreciate that. God bless all of you. Before I cook guys, I'm going to show you. This is my sweet best friend. Falcon, look at this way. This is my birdie guys. I have two of them. The green one is baby boy. The blue one is Falcon. Baby boy, look at this way. Huh? Falcon, do you want to say something to everyone before I cook? Falcon said thank you so much guys for your sub. Baby boy, you want to say something to everyone too? Baby boy said thank you so much guys for your sub. By the way, today I'm going to cook fried rice guys. I using 2 sausage. I cut it pieces and I'm going to cook with the cabbage. And I'm going to add 2 pieces of garlic. And I'm going to add 3 pieces of red onion. And right now I'm going to saute all the spices guys. I'm going to put some oil. Okay, so right now I'm going to saute the garlic first. I'm going to saute the red onion first. Right now I'm going to saute the sausage first guys. And now I'm going to saute the cabbage. Add teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon beef flavor, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. And now I'm going to add some soy sauce guys. The rice is cooked already guys, so I'm going to put all the rice together. Okay, it's done guys. I'm going to take some right now. I love drink coconut milk guys. I'm going to drink coconut milk and eat with the fried rice. I'm going to try right now. It's so delicious guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.